Good morning, guys. It's a rainy day in London, so I have my umbrella and it's cold, so I'm dressed in a lot of layers. But now I'm going to work. It will be a long day at work. I'm finishing at 6:30, so it's 9:30 to 6 or 6:30 depending on when we're gonna finish, but it's gonna be busy because we just reopened yesterday, and yesterday I heard it was hectic, so I'm expecting busy day, but I'm glad it's gonna be like this because I missed it. I'm on the hunt for an advent calendar, whatever it is. Chocolatey, I don't even care at this moment. I just want an advent calendar. I haven't found one anywhere. And I'm just going into my last stop, which is Morrison, so let's see. And I would also like to buy some Christmas lights that are not operating on battery, because all the Christmas lights I have are operating on battery, and it's getting too much, it's too wasteful, it's not good for the environment. So I would like some that you can just plug in and leave them there forever.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day.
This short shopping trip has been not really a fail because I got a light, but I didn't get an advent calendar, so half a fail. But now I'm going home because I'm exhausted and I want to show you guys what I bought in this little spontaneous shopping trip.
I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy. So giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of eyes. Onwards.
Officially home. I'm not even gonna get undressed. I'm just gonna catch my breath. I'm gonna put everything that I bought on the table and start talking to you. So, home, I put my pajama pants because I was done with the jeans. But I'm gonna show you what I bought. I know I haven't really vlogged too much. I'll have to figure out what to do Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I mean, Saturday will be fine. But Thursday and Friday, I am at work literally the whole day. I get to work at 9 and I finish at 6. So by the time I get home, it's already like 7, 7.5, and my energy level is close to 0. So I need to see how I'm gonna tackle that. But now I'm just gonna show you what I bought. So, first of all, here. I found Christmas lights with plug-in. I'm gonna show you. I found them and look how nice they are. Simba, look how nice they are. I finally found them. The reason why, so I'm gonna stop them for now. Actually, amazing. The reason why I wanted to buy new Christmas light, although you've seen us decorating the Christmas tree with some lights, is because the lights that we have are battery operated, and so far I've realized that they take around a day and a half to run out of battery, which is bad. And I've used Duracell, like I haven't used some cheap Poundland batteries. I've only used them once and they were gone within the day. But even Duracell doesn't really work because we like to keep our tree light up all day, all night, because there isn't really, I mean, there is no light in this corner where I've put it. The only window is that way and it's quite far, so there's no sun in here even during day. So we needed some powerful lights, and I didn't want to waste like 3 batteries every day, maybe even more, because I'm not sure how many each light has, and we currently have 2 lights that are battery operated in the tree. So that was too much. I'm gonna still use them. I'm gonna put them in the windows or something, because that doesn't need to be on all the time. But for the tree, I really wanted something else. And I found these Christmas lights that have, I believe, 8 meters cable length and 200 lights at Morrison's, and they were on clearance from 15 to 12 pounds. Still quite expensive-ish, but I found them on Amazon at 18 pounds and I was ready to buy them if I didn't find anything today. So this was much cheaper, and I really like how they look. Like, I'm looking now in the viewfinder and I really like, this is the look that I was going for. The other lights, well, they ran out of battery, so they're not powered anymore, but even when they were powered, they weren't this powerful, so amazing. The next thing that I bought from Morrison as well are these charity cards. They're just Christmas cards. We're gonna send a package to our parents in Romania, and we thought, why not just send them both families, because I'm gonna send a package to my mom and my boyfriend's mom, and we're gonna send a Christmas card to both families. And these in here, there are 10. And apparently, because they're charity cards and they're recyclable as well, you donate the money to Young Lives versus Cancer, which is amazing. I bought some of these like chocolate making, like hot chocolate stuff. You basically swirl this into hot milk and it transforms into hot chocolate, and I'm gonna try one today. I also went into Primark and I got some tape for decorating presents and stuff. It was only 90p, but I also bought a dress, and you can't really see it. I'll have to try it on to see if it fits, and I'm so not in the mood to try it on, but I'll do it. I'll be back in a second. Ignore the fact that I have a bra on now, but I really like it. The sleeves are quite loose, but it's really nice. I feel a bit medieval. I can even wear it like this, and I really like off the shoulder pieces. Looks nice. I'll show you in a minute how it looks like on me, but before I do that, I'm actually gonna show you what else I bought. And if you've seen yesterday's Vlogmas, you have seen that I went to this shopping center near me in Ealing Broadway, and there was a store that really caught my eye. It wasn't opened yet. It was called The Curated Collective. And what it was, because I went in today, it was a Christmas pop-up shop where you could shop small with Christmas market favorites and local makers and designers, open daily until the 31st of December. And that was so cool because there was basically a lot of independent marketers that, obviously, because there are no markets, there are no events going on in December and all of that, they don't really have where to sell their stuff anymore. So they rented this shop in the Ealing Broadway Center, but it was so awesome. I met this awesome lady from which I've bought a ring. I'm trying to get into jewelry. I used to never wear any jewelry, and I'm trying my best to get into jewelry. And she has such beautiful jewelry. It was all silver, I believe. I mean, I only saw the silver ones. I don't think she has anything else. And I bought this ring. It's quite small. It is a black onyx. Here you go. It's so nice, and she even made it super shiny for me, and it was only £10. I mean, £10 for something that was handmade by her. I mean, she said she make most of them, but she mostly makes the more high-end prices, the more creative pieces. This one is just a standard ring, but it is beautiful. And she also gave me her website, so I'm gonna pop it in the description down below. She's called Letty B, and she was really sweet. I'm so glad I helped her, because that's why I bought this ring. I mean, yes, I'm trying to get into jewelry, but I wasn't in the market to buy a ring. I really like it. I'm gonna show you again because I am in love with it. And since you can see my nails, I have to cut them off because this nail is... oh, how can I show you? Wait, I'm confused. This way? No, this way. Wait, yeah. See here? This nail is completely broken, and I've grown them out, and they were so healthy, and now I have to cut them off. And I'm super sad. That was what I bought, really. I'm gonna show you the dress. I really hope you can see it. This is the best angle that I can find at the moment. But this is how it looks like. And to be honest, I really like it. As I said, it looks a bit like medieval, but it's perfect, and it's got this off the shoulder. I mean, you can wear it off the shoulder, you can wear it like this, you can wear it with a bra, with no bra. I just tucked it in like that so that it's a midi dress, because otherwise it's longer, and I believe it's too long for my body shape, so that's why I just tucked it in here upwards so that it's a midi dress. And I really like it. It's really nice. It's not see-through at all. I was expecting it to be see-through, but it's not, so that's a plus. And I believe it cost £13. Yes, it was £13 from Primark. That was the Vlogmas for today. As I said, I'm really sorry that I don't get to record that much when it's Thursday and Friday, because I'm working literally the whole day, and it's already a bit difficult to be able to come up with ideas and see how I can record and edit and all of that. I'm not complaining. I love it so far. I really like Vlogmas, and I like the engagement that you guys have with my videos. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, because I always reply to messages and comments and questions, and we can even like do something interact. Like, I can reply to one question at the end of every video or whatever you want. So if there's gonna be more, I'm gonna do more videos like that, or I'm just gonna do one video with more questions. So far there aren't any, so I don't have anything to answer. But if you have a question, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below, whatever it is, whatever the subject is. Maybe we can even do like a video only about one specific topic that you'd like to see during Vlogmas. So that was it for today. Tomorrow is gonna be the exact same long day, but I think tomorrow after I'm coming home I'm gonna reorganize some stuff and I'm gonna put the lights on the tree, I'm gonna put some more lights on the windows, and we're gonna make this home feel a bit more festive. But that was it for today. Have a wonderful day if you're watching it straight in the morning at 8 a.m. So now I'm gonna go eat, I'm gonna go edit this video, I'm gonna sleep because I'm so tired. Bye!